Bertova is home to Ben & Jerry's ice cream factory, which expanded to Israel 30 years ago, just 10 years after the company was founded in 1978. Avi Zinger, Israel's Ben & Jerry's CEO, was the man who helped make that move happen. He's a self-proclaimed ice cream fanatic.
See, now the ice cream is so soft because before we freeze it. This is the best.
Zinger oversees all things ice cream, applying the Ben & Jerry standards across the board.
When it comes to the production, we have to keep the same quality, the same ingredients, the same quality, the same process. Of course, our factory is much smaller, so the volumes are different. But anything else, we have to be at the point where the ice cream is the same, you know.
There's a standard ice cream making method that Ben & Jerry's took upon themselves to enhance.
In our case, it's a super premium ice cream, so everything is it's all natural. So we take fresh cream, fresh milk. Instead of emulsifiers, we put egg yolk. Then we put stabilizer, all natural stabilizer, you know, from guar gum. And basically, this is the base of the ice cream. So you have white mix, and then if you add the cocoa powder, it's chocolate mix.
So right behind me is the Ben & Jerry's mega freezer here in Israel. And this is the last stop each pint of ice cream takes before reaching your fridge. The demand for Ben & Jerry's ice cream doesn't waver, according to Zinger, especially during Passover when the factory produces Passover certified flavors. In the summer, Ben & Jerry's employee Yotem Cohen says more kids come to the store.
Yes, because it's hotter and because the children are not in school.
The ice cream is locally certified kosher with extra processes being applied in order to earn that distinction. Daphne Krause, Jerusalem Post.